Most people think getting someone to like you takes months, but psychology says something very different. Humans make like or dislike decisions in seconds, not because of what you say, but because of what you do. And today, I'll show you 5 psychology-based tricks used by therapists, negotiators, and even FBI profilers to manipulate people into liking you. Let's begin. 1. The Ben Franklin effect. We come to like people for whom we do favors. Benjamin Franklin. This trick is strange because it works the opposite of what most people expect. Benjamin Franklin discovered something powerful. If you ask someone for a small favor, they actually end up liking you more, not less. Why? Because the human brain hates inconsistency. It thinks, I helped this person, so I must like them. Psychologists tested this. It's real. How to use it. Ask someone to help you adjust something. Ask for a quick explanation. Ask to borrow a pen. Ask for directions. Ask, is this seat taken? Suddenly you're no longer a random person. You're someone their brain feels connected to. Use this carefully, because it works. 2. The ventral warmth cue. Warmth is the foundation of connection. Dr. Albert Mehrabian. Your body speaks louder than your words. People decide whether they like you before you even speak. Mehrabian's research found that humans read warmth through the ventral side, your chest, stomach, torso. Here's the trick. Slightly angle your torso towards them. Keep arms uncrossed. Relax shoulders. Make palms occasionally visible. Use soft eye contact. This signals, I'm open, I'm present, I'm safe. 3. The confession seed. Self-disclosure is the currency of intimacy. Sidney Girard. This is the most powerful likability trick, and almost nobody uses it right. Girard discovered that when you reveal something small and human, people naturally open up back to you. Examples. I'm terrible with names. Public speaking makes me nervous. I'm trying to get better at waking up early. Sometimes I overthink things. These are safe, relatable, human. A tiny self-disclosure grows a huge connection, and the moment they share something back, they like you more, genuinely. 4. Delayed mirroring. When people feel in sync, they feel understood. Carl Rogers. Mirroring is powerful, but most people do it wrong. Instant mirroring looks fake. It screams, I'm trying too hard. But delayed mirroring, used by Carl Rogers, builds deep, unnoticed likability. How to do it? Wait 2 to 4 seconds, then mirror a small part of their body language. They lean back. You lean back after a moment. They slow their speech. You slow yours after a moment. They soften their tone, you soften yours after a moment. This creates subconscious harmony, and harmony creates liking. 5. The agree first, correct later effect. People like you more when you agree with their emotions before correcting their facts. Behavioral psychology. This one sounds completely wrong, but psychology proves it's true. Most people think, to make someone like me, I should correct them gently and be honest. But the human brain works differently. If you correct someone too quickly, even politely, their brain feels threatened and they like you less. But if you agree with their emotion first, even if they're wrong, their brain relaxes and starts liking you more. This technique is used in therapy, negotiation. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Validate the emotion first. I get why you'd think that. Honestly, that makes sense. I see where you're coming from. Step 2. Then gently add clarity. Another way to look at it is, what I've seen is, from my experience, it feels like manipulation because it kind of is. You're lowering their defenses by agreeing emotionally, then guiding the direction of the conversation. People don't like those who correct them. They like those who understand them before correcting them. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe.